Ben Foss. The Dyslexia Empowerment Plan. For Joe Stutz, the father of the movement. Introduction. I know a lot about failure. In my history, there are markers of success: a JD or MBA from Stanford, working in the Clinton White House, a Marshall Scholarship, inventing technology for Intel. But if you want to help dyslexic child, you should be more interested in my failures, my decision to break my own hand in my teenage years, hiding my dyslexia until my late 20s, resenting people who didn't help me, and how you can avoid these mistakes. This book will help you find your child's strengths and allow him or her to play to them. Dyslexia is not a disease, it is an identity. An identity is not something one cures, it is the basis of community and is an element of self you aim to understand and embrace. My hope is that you and your child will learn to own dyslexia, to understand it, and ideally to celebrate it. Along this path, you will learn how to accept things you cannot change related to this issue. If you are dyslexic, using conventional text will never be easy. You will encounter innumerable people who have no idea what dyslexia is and a handful who will judge you for it. But if you follow this path, your child and you will gain the courage to explain what dyslexia is, learn the latest tools, and advocate for your inclusion as well as that of others. My hope is that this book will help you learn from the literal and metaphorical bruises I have taken to find a smoother path to your own success. Simply by looking into this issue thoughtfully, you are doing the right thing for you, your child, and for your family. It may turn out that you yourself are dyslexic or that someone else in your family is in the club. The path will not be easy, but if you are like so many other dyslexics I know who own their dyslexia, you and your child will come through it happier, more connected, and like so many entrepreneurs, leaders, scientists, and poets, proud members of the nation of dyslexia. This book is not like anything else you have read about dyslexia or specific learning disabilities. The legal category under which services for us dyslexics are provided. Whereas most other books or experts will promise a cure for your child, I am here to say that the real truth is that there is no disease. In the mainstream, dyslexics are the minority, but that doesn't make us less valuable. We just do things a little differently. To use a commercial metaphor, it's like we are Macs, whereas the majority of people are PCs. This book and your mission as a parent is about moving the model for your child from dyslexia as disease to dyslexia as identity. An identity we can all be proud of.